This is BirdNote. Today, much of the world's coffee is grown industrially in wide open fields, offering few places for birds and other species to live. But some farmers are returning to a more traditional and sustainable method, growing coffee in the shade under layers of natural tree canopy. Growing it this way provides incredible habitat for wildlife and migratory birds. Justine Bowe is the program manager of the Bird-Friendly Coffee program at the Smithsonian Institute's Migratory Bird Center. The program works with coffee farmers to ensure their crops meet a rigorous standard so that consumers know their coffee comes from a farm that's helping protect birds. Because the difference between these farms is huge.
Walking through a field of sun coffee, it's hot, it's dusty. You don't really hear anything going on above you, but when you're walking through a bird-friendly farm, it's cool. You have the rainforest cover above you, and what you hear is the sounds of a rainforest. Even if you closed your eyes, you'd know where you were.
You can learn a whole latte more about bird-friendly coffee on the latest episode of our podcast, Bring Birds Back. Listen in your podcast app or at birdnote.org. I'm Tenijah Hamilton.